Hello students, in this video we are going to check whether the dodecahedron graph is Hamiltonian or not. So you don't know what is dodecahedron graph. So I have drawn here a graph and this graph is known as dodecahedron graph. So this graph contains 20 vertices. So if you observe, I have labeled the vertices from W1, W2, W1 to W20. That means this is a graph on 20 vertices. We want to check whether this graph is Hamiltonian or not. That means we want to check whether this graph contains a cycle which passes through all 20 vertices of graph G or not. I am calling this graph dodecahedron graph as G. So if you observe, you can easily find a cycle which passes through all vertices of graph G. So if you consider a cycle starting from W, then W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, W7, W8, W9, W10, W11, W12, W13, W14, W15, W16, W17, W18, W19, W20, W1. That means we get a cycle which passes through all vertices of graph G. That means this graph is a Hamiltonian graph. So we will write the Hamiltonian cycle. So since dodecahedron graph contains a cycle, say C, that is, and we are writing C. What is C? We have started from W1 and W1, W2, we came up to W20 and W20 to W1. So C is W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, W7, W8, W9, W10, W11, W12, W13, W14, W15, W16, W17, W18, W19, W20, W1. So this is a cycle in dodecahedron graph which passes through all vertices of graph G. Since dodecahedron graph contains a cycle C which passes through all vertices, that implies or therefore it is a Hamiltonian graph. So we have proved dodecahedron graph is a Hamiltonian graph. Now take screenshot of this. We will discuss another example in our next video.